Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do the cable cast-on method. So you'll use this method when you already have your project started and you want to add more stitches to it. So you're going to insert your hook like you normally would for knitting. I'm going to fight with my string just a little bit. You're going to yarn over and pull through like you would for regular knit, but you're going to leave your string and twist it like so. Then you're going to take your blue needle, the one with all of your stitches, and you're going to move that loop onto your worked needle. So let me show you that again. So you're going to yarn over the orange needle, pull through, and then you're going to take that loop from the orange needle and you're going to put it onto the blue needle. Like so. Now to start the cable casting on, what you'll do is you'll take your yellow hook or needle, sorry, and you're going to insert it in between the two stitches. You're going to pull it, twist a little bit, and you're going to put that loop onto your blue needle. Or the needle with all of your work if your needle is not blue. So let's look at that again. You're going to insert, and you'll see how you're not going through the loops, you're going in between them. Yarn over, and pull through, and move that loop onto your other needle. Now, I found while I was doing this that if I pulled my loops too tight, it made it almost impossible to get my needle through to cast on more stitches. So just take your time and practice, practice, practice. Let me move everything down so you can see it. And you'll just keep doing that until you've reached your desired stitches to add to your project. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy knitting day.